In this video, I will show you how to download movies and TV shows from Netflix so you can watch them offline later on your laptop or other devices without internet access. First, you need to install the Netflix app on your supported device and make sure everything is updated to the latest version. Once you open the Netflix app, look for movies or shows that support downloads. Not every title can be downloaded, so look for the download icon next to the movie or episode. After selecting the title you want, simply click download and wait for the video to save on your device. For TV shows, you can also download entire seasons in some cases. It is recommended to use Wi-Fi while downloading because video files can use a lot of internet data. Once the download finishes, go to the Downloads section inside the Netflix app and you can watch everything offline anytime you want, for example during a flight, traveling, or in places without internet. Just remember that some downloads can expire after a certain amount of time and downloaded videos are only available inside the Netflix app on the device you used for downloading. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.